Configuring payment settings. Configure your payment settings to receive settlements. You'll need to set this up before requesting your first withdrawal. The settings form lets you choose and configure your preferred payment method. Don't worry, all information is securely stored and encrypted. Choose between mobile money for quick transfers to your phone or bank transfer for direct deposits to your bank account. For mobile money, select your provider from the drop-down. Popular options include M-PESA, Airtel Money, and other local providers. Enter your mobile money phone number. Please double-check this number, as payments will be sent directly to it. Enter the name registered with your mobile money account. This must match exactly for successful transfers, or things get complicated. For bank transfer, enter your bank name, branch, and SWIFT code for international transfers. Don't forget your IBAN or account number and the account holder name. Click Save to store your payment settings. You can update these at any time, but remember, changes apply to future settlements only. A confirmation message appears when settings are saved successfully. You're now officially ready to request those settlements.